Okay, so I am going to open up my new Be Gentle cleanser. This will be the first time I have ever used it, and I am so excited. At 50, as I mentioned before, I've been having some adult breakout, and it really stinks. So I'm excited to get the system going and show my results. So today is day one. I just want to show everybody how creamy this looks. This is the moisturizing Be Gentle cleanser, and I'm a little embarrassed to show my skin, but I'm having breakouts across my chin, up around the forehead and eyeline, and so this is going to be a new experience for me. Wish me luck. So I've applied it and I'm rubbing it in. I do have an ultrasonic cleaner, but I just kind of wanted to get a feel for how it goes on by hand. And as you can see, it doesn't really bubble up, which means it's got more concentrated ingredients in it. It doesn't need filler like a bubbling agent. And it feels soft and silky, non-irritating. It's just awesome. Now I'm moving on to the Skin Revitalizing Essence, which is basically the toning and refreshing. Just put some here on my cotton ball. I just wanted to quickly show you that this little protective cap was on there, which is totally awesome. I was trying to get it out before I realized that was on there. LOL. So here we go. I'm gonna put some on my cotton ball here. And oh wow, that feels so good. I get really irritated around my nose and under my eyes, so this is amazing. Feels so good. Even take it down to the neckline. It feels so good. Has kind of a light fragrance. Smells not too girly. So guys, you could use this too and not feel like you're turning into a girl. But hey, being a girl ain't that bad, right? And here is my lovely C Radiance Illuminating Serum. This is probably going to be one of my absolute favorites because I have sunspots due to age and also being on hormones for a lot of my married and childbearing years, and that can bring on age spots a lot faster. So here we go. I want you to be able to see this on my finger and see how beautiful that is. Oh wow, there we go. That should be enough. And I'm going to dab a little here, a little there, a little there. Just kind of get that dispersed well across my face and rub it in. Oh wow. This too smells just lightly of a citrusy type fragrance. So you know that it's there, but it's not overpowering. Wow, this is terrific stuff. I was just gonna say something, and I don't really want to diss any company, but I was in a little over a year and I was hitting my financial goals and I was really pushing the product. I believed in it, but I decided to walk away from it. I wasn't overly happy with the makeup. I didn't feel like the skincare was as great as they said. I didn't feel like it was the value that they were charging for it. And besides that, I don't know if a lot of you realize that makes you front and load your product. I had over $10,000 retail in my closet of product in bins that I had stacked up where you can pull the drawers out to have product to be able to sell to people. And that put a lot of financial pressure on me. And MONAT does not make you do that. So you've got these quality, incredible products with no pressure. It's at your speed, it's at your leisure, and it's fun. So this is feeling great. I can feel my skin tightening. And for me, that's a big deal because I turned 51 in July this year. 50 was a hard hit for me, emotionally, especially, but I'm feeling great. So now I'm going to move on to the moisturizer. Okay, I just wanted to have you take a good look at this. We are Modern Nature. And just the beauty of the packaging, it's beautiful, but it's green, which means it's not going to pile up junk at the bottom of the sea. Monet is very into nature and saving nature and being green while delivering these amazing products to us. And look at this. This is way cool. Now you can see my sparkly phone case. Ta-da! Anyway, it has a little spatula that comes with it. That is just cool. Here we go. Makeup Vanishing Balm. Maybe you're wondering why I didn't start with that. It's because I really didn't have a lot of makeup on. Anyway, so I went straight with the cleanser first. But believe me, tonight after I put on my full face, I am going to want to use that, and I will do a video of that tonight. Okay, here's the moisturizer. Feels so good already, just going on. I love it. I'm just going to gently massage this in. Some people say that you're not supposed to use your fingers, but I feel like I have more control of the product when I use my fingers, as long as they're clean. And I can feel where I need to focus more of the moisturizing. I'm gonna get my neck too. At age 50, I am fearing the crepey neck skin, hoping that my genetics will be good to me for the next 10 years. And with the hope and use of Monet, I should be able to ward that off even longer. It feels great, guys. On a scale of 1 to 10 of all the products that I've used, this is a 10 plus. Okay, so now my daughter and I are gonna head out. We're actually gonna choose a hair color for me. I want something with a little more pow to it. So I am taking my Monet hand sanitizer. Yay!